Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back actually with a pretty good day trading recap. So today I only traded Tesla. As you can see here, I caught most of the move just at the open. There was a reason why I did not take the first few minute opening ranges because there was no volume in the first few minutes, and I'll show you why. And also, our pre-market was actually almost empty, and there's really nothing to trade in the pre-market. So I had Intel was one of the highest volume mover, but it wasn't gapping up, it wasn't gapping down. So for you guys who are asking about my settings for my screener, so these are the ones that I used. Price of 10 to 300 over possibly one ATR over one relative volume and 500,000 volume. So anything with volume is good. So anything with volume, it means it's gonna be moving at the open or first few minutes. So, but if you look at Intel here, as you can see, let's look at Intel. Probably on the first minute, yeah, it's almost no move at all. And even the pre-market, that's why I didn't want to trade it because the pre-market is ugly. But of course, if you got nothing else to trade, then you trade Tesla, right? So Tesla's pre-market is actually not bad, but it was just hovering around this 167 30 area, and I thought like a breakout of 168 is actually pretty good, but I thought it's gonna break out 170. So I was expecting that. Let's look. The first volume in the first minute is only volume is only 600,000 plus 378 at the first 2 minutes, so it's about 1 million in the first 2 minutes. So really nothing to trade there. Let's see, one sec, let's go. Yeah, so let's look closely why I traded a little late. As you can see, I didn't have anything to trade today, even Intel. I didn't want to trade Intel because of the pre-market. Let's go back there. So we have Intel and Tesla. Yeah. So anything like this in the pre-market, you stay away. Look what happened. It's just chopping around. So yeah. So since I got nothing to trade, I had Tesla here, always lurking. So yeah, I traded that. The good plan for Tesla is was this trade of 167, breakdown of 167. The reason why I did not take the breakdown of 167 is the first minute, there's really no volume. The volume of that is, I think, let's change that volume, move up. Yeah, so volume of this is about 600,000, if I can remember. Yeah, and then the second one's about, yeah, so less than a million, like just right at 1 million. So normally I like anything with over 1 million in the first minute, it means it's gonna move. So I waited a little bit. I waited a little bit. Let's see and see what happens, right? So this is actually a good long. So this is a engulfing candle. This is actually a good long for a breakout there. I did not chase it because it's a really big move. So it moved about go to that ATR again. So the first minute moved about $1. The second one moved about $1.30. So that's a big move. You don't want to chase that. I mean, if you're chasing that, then your stop should be a little wider, or maybe stop us at the bottom, right? So the reason is I waited because I want to wait for a consolidation, which is what happened really here. But the good entry was somewhere over here. I was entering on a red candle, which is actually not a good idea. But I have 167.35 as an area for me to play with. And I said, okay, if it goes below that, I'll probably consider going out. And then I think going out meaning like, covering all my position for a loss, and maybe consider shorting below 167 and breakdown. So I have 170 here. I did not reach that. Um, so yeah, so my risk was actually $1 for this one. It's like that's why I added because my risk was actually $1. So entry. Let's look. Because I didn't want to trade too tightly today because there's really no volume. So first entry 166.58. So it's 121 will be somewhere here, right? So that's my 121. So it's taking 10% partials here until it reaches this area. This is kind of like my more than 121 area. So I was always only taking some few 25% here and few 10%, and it was holding in my share. So I added back in more. and my risk was somewhere below 168. So after this at 168.52, so kind of like where my R is, and I said I'm gonna like get out below 168 if it does that. So I entered. Normally, if I want to enter, I entered in the white candle, which is going to be a green candle for you guys. I don't want to enter on an ad on a red candle, or unless it's there's like a level. Like for me, I have the level here, so it was okay. But good entry will be somewhere here when it turns white, and then for a breakout of that high of day. So here I waited. I was kind of like tempted to wait. I'm kind of tempted to enter here, but those were red candles, so I waited for a white candle or a green candle and entered there, 168.52, and then I took more profit. I held more because I thought it's going to break out 167. I did not even take profit here because I really thought it's going to go 170, not 167. So when it loses 160, almost losing 169, I got out at 169 because I said it's not going to hold. It's probably going to go back to where my entry is. Yeah, so that was really good. So I held a little bit more shares there. So I got out here, which is not bad. Imagine my entry is 168.50. That's about still 50 cents. So whatever remaining shares you have, that's still half a cent, right? Have 50 cent, half a cent. Yeah. So now it's right where if you look, I mean, imagine if you don't take profit. See, you just gave back all whatever you made for the day. So yeah, I'm happy with this. Overall, it's pretty good. I hit my goal. We don't make huge moves. We just need a few candles or a few dollar moves, and that's it. So it moved about $4.58. I think this whole move is $3. So imagine if you're risking $1, you get a $3 move. So that's not bad. You can probably get more than an R. 1.5. So if you do that every day consistently, that's actually pretty good. So imagine if you're trading 1% of your account, yeah, you can make 1% a day. That's not bad. So that's the goal. I mean, if you're doing it part time, I mean, don't compare it to the ones who trades almost every day and then almost not every day, almost whole day and then get the whole move the market. So this is the only thing what we want to do in trading part time. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I only traded one time, yes, not yesterday, last week. So sorry about that. I've been really busy. I think I only traded Wednesday or something. So I will try to trade again. I will try to trade again tomorrow. But today I almost did not trade. Almost did not trade today because of what's happening in the market. It looks like I thought I want to break out SPY. Look at SPY here on daily. I thought SPY would probably break out in 415. It's consolidating here for almost almost a month now. Yeah, so it's just consolidating between 404 and 418 roughly. I think it's just waiting and see where it goes. Yeah, I wish it doesn't go below 404. If not, it's probably gonna go back to 390s. Yeah, this area here. Yeah, so this breakout is very significant if it moves, if it happens. So it's going to be a breakout of 44.15 especially. That's why market's been a little slow because breakout is not happening. If this breakouts happen, then I see more good things happening in the stock market world. Yeah, so let's look where the Tesla is. Yeah, so as you can see here, there's really nothing. Um, Tesla, Intel. Running out first. I think I need to stop recording now. Yeah, so it's right at this 165.33. So I don't know where I got this. So these levels that I have, these are from my previous days. Yeah, I still have those here. It's good because I still can use them. See, it rejected that area there, 165.33. So that's also useful. Blue means in intraday. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm happy with my trade today. I also got out even before it goes back to my average cost. So not bad, not bad. All right. See you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Cheers.